चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
I'm going to go cut across to visuals that are coming in of Darshan, who's now been taken by the police. He's going to be first, like I stated, be taken for his medical examination. I'm going to try and go across to Prajwal, but the visuals first on your screen of the actor, famous actor Darshan, who's being brought to the police station. He's then going to be produced before the court and they will be seeking his custody. These are visuals of the top Kannada actor Darshan, who's now been picked up along with his wife Pavitra Gaura, arrested in a murder case. And a man was found dead in Bengaluru. Kannada actors arrested for alleged role in the man's murder. Visuals on the screen showing famous Kannada actor Darshan, who's now being arrested. Prajwal, we're trying to get in touch with Prajwal, who was with us a short while ago. He's a popular Kannada actor. His wife Pavitra Gaura. Both of them have been arrested for the murder of a man in Bengaluru. 10 others have also been taken into custody by the police. The visuals on the screen are showing Darshan, popular Kannada actor, who has now been arrested. The visuals on the screen also showing the police that's going to now be taking him for the medical test at Victoria Hospital. And then the accused will be produced before the 24th ACMM court and the cops are going to be seeking custody. Right now, it's popular Kannada actor Darshan who's been picked up. He's been arrested for the role, and it's the visuals of the police arresting him extremely clear. The victim was found dead at a Sumanhali bridge in Bengaluru. Let me go across to Nagendra is joining us live from the Republic Kannada newsroom. Nagendra, give us more details.
इस अभी देखिए 8 जून 8 चित्रदुर्ग से एक आदमी को रेणुका स्वामी बोल के एक नाम का आदमी को उधर से किडनैप करके 9th मॉर्निंग 2 o'clock बेंगलुरु राजनगर व्याप्ति में वो शेड में लेके जाके उधर उसको मार के टॉर्चर देके मर्डर किया था। उसका वो केस कामाक्षीपाಳ್ಯ पुलिस स्टेशन में रजिस्टर हुआ था। वो केस में अभी 13 मेंबर लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है। उसमें A2 मतलब अक्यूज नंबर 2 चैलेंजिंग स्टार दर्शन इज अक्यूज नंबर 2 और उसका फ्रेंड लोग, उसका बॉडीगार्ड, सब लोगों को मिलके टोटल 13 मेंबर्स को अरेस्ट करके अभी अन्नपूर्णेश्वर नगर पुलिस थाने में उसका इंट्रोगेशन खत्म करने के बाद अभी उसको डायरेक्टली कोर्ट को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए लेके जा रहा है। वो कोर्ट को प्रोड्यूस करके उसको कस्टडी को लेने के लिए पुलिस लोग भी तैयार किया है। वो उसके बाद में वो को कस्टडी में लेके उसको और इंक्वायरी करने का वो लोग प्लानिंग तो चल रहा है, लेकिन अभी पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आने तक पुलिस लोग इंतजाम करेगा, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर बॉडी के ऊपर 15 पार्ट्स का बाद 15 प्लेस में उसका ऊपर असल्ट भी हुआ है। वो मार का इशारा में ऊपर वो केस भी फाइल किया है। अभी पूरा लोगों को 13
as more and more people are gathering, 5 KSRP platoons deployed, but thousands and thousands of people are coming in, and it seems like, there will be some sort of problem or the other, and in just a few moments from now, we will be expecting that he will be brought outside as well. So far, Rhythm Republic has also gone ahead and accessed the names of the 9 accused in this particular case as well. So all said and done, we will need to wait in now as to when he will be produced before the court.
With the visuals on the screen that we can clearly see, co-actors Pavitra and Darshan have been detained by the Bengaluru police, and we can see visuals of the popular Kannada actor who's now been picked up and arrested. These are visuals coming from outside the police station, Annapurneshwari Nagar police station, where Prajwal is also joining us from. These are visuals that are showing the actor Darshan who's now been picked up for his role in the alleged murder of a man. We're going to stay with the Nat sounds that are coming in right now. Nagendra, if I can come back to you in the Republic Kannada newsroom, give us more details, because we're now being told that Darshan is first from the police station going to be taken for his medical test, then going to be produced in the court, and then the police is going to be seeking for his custody in the court.
यस अभी देखिए वो दर्शन का अभी कोर्ट को प्रोड्यूस करने का पहला उसको मेडिकल चेकअप करवाना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हर एक केस में अक्यूज्ड को अरेस्ट करने के बाद बिफोर कोर्ट प्रोड्यूस उसको हॉस्पिटल को लेके जाके मेडिकल टेस्ट करने के बाद विथ मेडिकल रिपोर्ट उसका कोर्ट का सामने उसको प्रोड्यूस करता जाता है। अभी 4:30 को टाइम दिया था उसको कोर्ट का सामने प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, लेकिन एक केस में वो तब वही खुद बोला है पुलिस के सामने, मैंने उसको कुछ बोलने के लिए बोला था लेकिन मारने के लिए मैंने नहीं बोला था, खाली यही आंसर दिया है दर्शन। लेकिन पुलिस लोग ने एविडेंस विथ एविडेंस वो लोकेशन में कौन कौन था विथ प्रूफ दर्शन का सामने रखा था, उसका प्रूफ एविडेंस के बाद एविडेंस मिलने के बाद दर्शन को अरेस्ट किया है। अरेस्ट
We are seeing Pavitra Gowda being taken away in the police van, in the first police van. We saw that Mr. Darshan was taken away. Now we are also seeing all the other accused who are coming out in large number as well, which also includes the lawyers as well, being taken away at this point of time. We are also seeing some of the accused too, and this is this is where it is going to get to understand that he will be taken to the court. He will be taken to the court as well, because we get to understand at this point of time the medical before taking to the hospital, then they will be brought in. Then they will be brought in at this point of time to the court as well. They've already gone ahead and taken time. They've gone ahead and taken time from the 24th ACMM court as well. So once he is taken in, he will be produced before the court as well. With video journalist Sadhana and Prajwal Prasad reporting for Republic from Bengaluru.
Prajwal, if I can continue coming back to you, you've given us details about what's happening. The Bengaluru police has also spoken up about what's been happening in the case. They've stated in connection with the murder case that's been registered, one of the actors of the Kannada film industry has been secured. He's being questioned. Details have to be ascertained. This is in the murder case of Renuka Swami. Around 10 people have been detained, are being questioned. In fact, actor Darshan has been taken into custody for questioning in the connection with this case. I also want to stay with those pictures that are showing the Bengaluru police that has arrested the actor Darshan. After an arrest by the police, he then has to be produced before the court, before which a medical checkup is done to see that his vitals are fine and parameters are normal. After that, he will be taken to the courtroom where the police will be seeking his police custody to get to the bottom of what really happened in this murder. Apparently, as of now, it's being stated that he's been picked up and being detained in connection with the murder, and allegedly his instructions had been given. There are sketchy details about what happened, but the local police in Bengaluru were investigating the murder of one Renuka Swami, who originally and have taken 9 people in connection with this murder, and Darshan's name has come up. Viewers, it's a top focus that we'll continue tracking. Stay on with us.